You gotta listen up, listen up. I'm so happy.
Welcome back, JD Squad. If you're new to our channel, I'm Jasmine. This is my little sister, Bella. Guys, today we will be doing the alphabetical order slime challenge, but with a little twist. We are going to be doing it backwards. I'm really nervous for this, guys. So instead of reading this paper as A, B, C, it's going to be like Z, Y, X, W, V. And it's going to be all backwards, which is going to be tricky. So without further ado, let's get started. And we'll show you guys we found something for every letter. Yay! You're excited? Yeah. I don't know about this. Okay, let's get started. Wait a minute. I can't say A. We're starting from Z. So let's see. Z is for zombie theme. Oh, zombie theme. That's what it's for. So what are we going to do for zombie theme? Let's be creative here. What can I do? Maybe, I feel like green food coloring, purple food coloring. Googly eyes. Those definitely remind me of zombies. Can I have them? Y, and Y is for yellow glue. Which one do you want? You can pick. Oh, I almost dropped it. Do you want glitter glue or just some normal one? Glitter. Okay, I'll take this one then. I can't always open it. Can you help me? Yeah, I can help you. Okay, so here you go. Yellow glitter glue. Hey, yellow like a shirt. Oh yeah, yellow like a shirt. Do you guys like our shirts? Oh my god, my happy face smeared. Poor zombie. Okay. Mine is not gonna smear because I have foam-mates in. Oh yeah. Okay, that looks good. Did you fall? No, it's my clear. Phew. I was like, I don't smell anything though. That's weird. X is for XOXO beads. Okay, let's find them. These look like, okay, here you go. Let's show them. So these are the XOXO beads. I think we had actually got these from like Valentine's Day, but we're like, what should we do? And Mermaid Mom actually helped us because we were gonna figure anything out. I guess we should just add in the whole thing. Ooh, okay. On to the next thing, which is W. W for white glue. So here's a white glue for you and a white glue for me. Okay, so we're just using this glue. Let's add it in. Oh my god, I just wanted to form ready so we could touch slime. It's gonna be so fun. Look. Okay. I have a lot of it. Feels weird doing it backwards, guys. It feels like, even though it's kind of like we're making slime the right way though. I don't know, it's kind of weird. Here's for very sparkly glitter. And we have this pretty mermaid one. And we have, which one else? Oh no, wrong one, oopsie. Where is it? Oh my god, I'm dropping everything. So we have this pretty pink one. So let's add it in. It's nice and pink. Let me put some confetti. Oh, that's a lot of confetti. Okay, that's enough. Use regular skin. Oh, you mean this kind of skin? I was like, unicorn skin? That's kind of creepy. Okay. I can't. Here, you can just take mine. They're the same thing. So here's what they look like. They're nice and sparkly. They're iridescent. Oh, she didn't even have that much. Okay. Anything coming out? Okay. So on to the next letter, which is T for teal. And I think this is the teal we have. Yeah, it's the teal we have. And do we have any other teal? Oh yeah, we have this one. You want to use this one? Yeah. Or you want to use this one? This one. Okay. How do I do this? I'll just use my spatula because I don't really have a choice. I don't want to get my fingers in here. Ah! There we go. I got my fingers in here. Like I just said, let me not get my fingers in here, and then I get my fingers in here. I don't know if that's enough. Okay. So S is for what's it? What's one?
S is for switch up.
Ooh, this looks glitter. That looks like a good amount. Q is for question. Okay.
Actually, question to say A.
Okay. Maybe, have you ever had a crush?
I have.
Ooh.
Michael.
From where?
Michael has the house.
Oh, the secret of the real. You have a crush. Okay.
Have you ever had a crush?
I have, but not right now.
Okay.
Who's your crush?
Me?
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. It's fine. Pretty awkward. But moving on to purple sequins, P is for purple sequins. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm so because that last question was really awkward. Let's see. Oh, see ya? Oh, hey, you dropped it. That there. Get my sequins. It's up on here. Red. Open up. I'm gonna add in the whole thing, make it super sparkly. 2 years later.
I can't with it.
Okay, I'll help you. My hand is like all blue from the seal. Here you go.
The whole entire thing. Pick it all.
So sparkly.
Let's pour.
Orbeez!
Orbeez.
Orbeez! Which one do you want? Purple or blue? Of course. So here's the blue Orbeez.
Here's the purple.
They're actually pretty big. Okay.
Yeah.
How did you get yours open so fast? Oh, there we go. Shattered all of them? Did you?
Yep.
Okay, now I'm going to glittery Orbeez. You guys need to look at
What? They smell good.
this. Mine smells so good.
Okay.
Oh my god, there's 2. They smell so good.
You can't eat.
I'm gonna eat them. I'm gonna eat them. N is for neon glitter. Let's check it out and get our glitter. Which one will you like?
Yellow.
Oh, you spilled the glitter. It was open. Okay, let's add it in. It looks so pretty on my Orbeez. Bella, are you sure I can't eat these? They smell so good.
No.
I'm gonna eat yours. Okay, fine. I won't eat the Orbeez, guys. I'm just joking. Let's see. We did neon glitter. M is for Mono Magic. I love Mono Magic. Where is it?
Maybe it's in there.
In here. Okay, so we have like a purpley color or a blue.
I have this one.
Okay. Let's see. Open it. And this is the one I'm using, by the way. I don't know if I showed you. So stretchy. It matches my hands too. I'm gonna add in that, and then I'm just gonna go like this. Whoa. It looks like cotton candy. Whoa. So slimy.
I'm still getting mine.
You need help there. I can't do this anymore. Okay. I think that's good.
Yeah.
I can't do this anymore.
Sissy, I was for lotion, your favorite thing.
Yes! Lotion! Let's have some lotion. Okay, here you go. Here I go. Let's pour it in. A bunch of this stuff. Oh yeah. That's amazing. If you guys haven't put lotion into slime, what do you wait? Okay. You're gonna put that much? I'm gonna put a lot more then. Ha! I love lotion. Okay. Okay, so K is for key lime green. So I'm guessing it's these. What?
Mono Magic.
I'm taking this one then. So key lime. Kind of reminds me of key lime pie. I'm trying not to say it, but I just need to. So let's add a little bit of this in.
I'm gonna take
We're
it
gonna clean out.
in. There we go.
Oh! I said a little bit, guys. It's gonna overpower my slime, and I wanted a pink slime. You added in so much clay too. both can end up with a green slime probably.
Yeah.
J is for Jasmine and Bella's choice.
Yay!
You can pick first. What do you want to choose? What are you gonna pick? I'm gonna pick some more lotion. I need my slime to be. Or actually, should I pick more glue? Nah, I'm just gonna go for lotion.
I want glitter. Iridescent glitter.
Iridescent glitter. Now they say glitter. I want glitter, and my favorite color is rose gold. So I'm supposed to glitter. Let's more of this. It's raining rose gold glitter.
That's how much I want.
That's so pretty. That's really pretty, girl. Lucky for me, the next one is I for iridescent glitter, which means I get to get some too. Okay, ready, Bella? Give me some. Oh, here, wait. You can get some.
I can get more.
Yeah, I have a lot because that's a lot of glitter, but
Let me see what you did.
that's lucky. You get so much iridescent glitter. I'll take some. It's raining glitter. It's raining glitter. Okay.
H is for heart.
Who are you gonna give your heart to? Michael! Girl, what you doing? You can't have any crushes. No crushes. Okay. Maybe she's just joking. Where's the other hearts? What? There it is. You want this one? Oh, because that one's glass. So you should get this one. Even though I'm really clumsy too, guys.
Okay, I need some scissors. Mommy, can you pass me a bit of scissors?
I can open it for you.
I feel like we're doing Valentine's Day slime again. Don't.
Here you go.
You haven't the whole thing? Okay.
I'm giving you a heart.
Oh, thank you. Or are you giving it to Michael?
I put it on you.
And G is for glitter. And there's pink, and there's blue, and there's purple. Which one do you want? Purple! Pink! I love pink, everyone! I love pink. I feel like we're being so hyper.
Yeah.
We're being hyper.
Glitter.
More
Glitter
glitter.
best.
More glitter.
There you go.
Okay.
I put a heart on you.
You put a heart on me? Where? Do I have a heart?
I feel right here.
You put a heart on me? That's not fun. Wait, I feel it too. I'm gonna do it to you. Get a little heart for Michael.
Get that thing away from me.
Hey. Okay. F is for big snow. Are we gonna go see snow for the first time?
I'm sissy.
No, we're just gonna see fake snow. Yeah. Now, this is some type of snow. I've always wanted to see snow.
Me too. I know I had. Wait, I have seen snow.
Oh my god! Stop that! Look! There's barely any. She almost wasted it all. Look! It's snowing, but it's not cold at all. I don't even need a jacket.
It's for Alice glue.
Okay, well actually, phew, because we have so many ingredients and I was like, uh-oh, what if our slime doesn't even make slime because there's no glue? Well, there is glue, but like barely any because we draw all ingredients.
Here you go.
Come again.
Can you help me?
Can you help me? Thank you. Can you help me?
I can't. I know.
Okay, let's just act mermaid mom. Here you go.
Can we see?
Can mermaid
Hey, the
mom
camera
do
looked
it?
like it turned off when I went to get it.
It did?
Here's one.
I don't want you guys to know.
Here's two.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What can I say?
Except you're welcome.
I'm put everything. Ah, we're in my castle. No, castle.
I'm just staring at you crazy and you're like, no, my castle. What castle?
My little snow castle, don't you see?
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, totally. Okay. So, let's put Elmer's glue off the list. Now, these for dish soap. Okay. We have pink dish soap and we have blue dish soap with a little chicky, Okay. I kind of want to do this pink one. Can I do it?
Fine, I just want.
Okay, fine. You can have the pink one.
Yeah.
Because I love you.
Not as good as the pink one.
But it's still good.
Yeah.
It looks like snow with my instant snow. Actually, think. Let me smell yours.
You know you can still put some of that one, right?
Oh, I can? Oh my god, yay! I gotta have it. Really? Really? If you turn around, you have glitter on it. Oh, I just took it off. We're sharing glitter on her face. Why would you put that? You don't want them to see us? Hi, guys. That was just like, I don't care if they don't see us, but whatever. Like, really?
Daddy, what? I didn't reach anything.
So you can't even reach your face? You almost fell off your chair. Let's just move on. C is for crunchy beans. Oh my god, what voice is that? We have red, we have rainbow. No. I am not doing this one. If you like it, you can do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do this one. And this one. Hey, you copied me. What kind of laugh was that? We need to play that in slow motion. She was like,
Let me take that pink one. Yes, I got one. And put it like.
you don't even catch on. I'm like staring at you crazy. You're just like, oh! Oh god! Thank you. No, I'm not getting it for you. I'm gonna give it to you. Here you go. Guys, we're just playing around. We love each other. Oh, or do we love each other? Because she keeps throwing stuff at me. So we do. Give me a hug. Not a kiss. A hug. Aww. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Oh, stop! B is for. B is for. Done. 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 D is for.
Bella!
No, it's for blue glue. She's thinking about this too much. Here's a blue glue for you. Here's blue glue for me. Let's add it in.
I can't open it. Open it up.
Ooh, this is so sparkly and it looks beautiful. Honestly, at this point, I feel like we're gonna have the same slime. It looks almost the same.
I'm sure it is.
Do you guys think it will look the same or super different? It's not even like one word. Or do you think they'll look alike or different? Ew, Bella. Ew. Did you poop? You might want to check. Are you guys subscribed yet? If not, do you guys think you can do it in 5 seconds? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? Are you part of our squad yet?
Cindy, that's not what we're gonna stick in our slime. It's AJ!
AJ, our cousin? Wait a minute, we can't stick AJ in our slime even though it starts with an A. We should just put some activator.
Oh yeah!
Okay. So, we have contact solution and baking soda.
Where do
You
we
can
go?
reach. Okay. Get it? Contact solution. Contact solution. I don't even know where the baking soda is.
It's right in there.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my! Okay, let's add it in. Which one do you want? I think they're the same, so.
Yeah.
Oh, and now we mentioned AJ, our cousin. He's a little baby, and he started a new channel called AJ's Playroom.
Whoa, look. When I put it.
Wow! And also, we'll link it in our description down below. Or if you go to like where it says, it says home videos. If you click on channels, you'll see his channel. He's the cutest thing ever. Subscribe, press the notification bell. Oh my god, he's so cute. Every time I see him, we're all like fighting to see who's gonna carry him because he's the cutest thing in the world, literally. So yeah, subscribe to him.
Okay, that's what I have.
And his laugh is the cutest thing. wings. Right, Bella?
Yep. Okay, so.
And he loves Baby Shark. Baby Shark. AJ, if you're watching this, we love you so much.
Yeah.
Shout out to you.
Yeah, shout out to you.
Should we mix it?
No.
What? She's like, no. Did you add a little baking soda? Okay, we're good. Now it is time for the grand finale to mixy all together. Yeah, mixy. Okay.
Pussy is a spatula. Right up there.
Oh, my bad. I guess I just continue mixing with my hand, of course. This is turning so pretty. It's like zombie. It's like a rainbow zombie slime.
Look at mine.
Whoa, what color do you think? Because I still haven't really mixed in the clay too much.
Probably gonna turn. I think it can order turn purple or green.
I think mine is gonna be green or like teal.
I think green and or purple.
Yours looks like a ring. What did I just find? An eyeball, really? Hey, that's the eyeball you put in earlier. And your slime looks really pretty. It looks like a rainbow, kind of looks like candies. So our slime. Let me activate it. 3, 2, 1. Hey, so we're done making our slime and Bella. It's like we're back at the letter Z because it turned out to be zombie colors.
Yeah.
I feel like we should enter the picture somewhere here. I don't know where we're gonna enter it, but it looks like the zombie Zed from the movie Zombies.
Yeah.
Purple and green. That's a coincidence. So here's what mine looks like. It's a nice, pretty tealy green color, and it's the best texture. It's like so good. Look, I can like blow a bubble for you guys. But let's do a bubble. Whoa! It did a bubble.
Hello. And this is mine. And it's this pretty purple color, my favorite color.
Stretch it, Bella.
Okay.
Whoa, it's really stretchy.
Peekaboo.
It almost looks like the same texture. Can I feel it?
Yeah.
Whoa, it
Can I
is
see
really-
yours?
Yeah. Whoa, guys, hers is really pretty too. This is a hard decision.
Okay, guys, so that's the end of today's video.
We hope you guys enjoyed it, but remember to comment in our post. Team green heart emoji if you think my slime won.
Oh, team purple emoji.
Team purple heart emoji, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we love you guys so much. Mwah. Be squad.